All right, I'm going to show you how to find any app on your iPhone. Of course, on the home screen, you can just visually swipe between pages and look for apps. But if you can't find something, the easiest way is to use search. Swipe down from the middle of your display, and that brings up search. Type in a few letters of the app you're looking for, and it'll show up right there. Another place to check is your app library. Swipe all the way to the right past your home screen pages, and you'll land on App Library, where your apps are organized into collections. While you're in the app library, you can either swipe down or tap that little search bar up top, and you'll get an alphabetical list of every app on your phone. You can either view and scroll through the list, use the little alphabet shortcut on the right side of your screen, or you can search directly from here too by using the search field up top. This is a good way to get a full overview of everything installed on your phone. Sometimes an app might be missing from your home screen because it was removed from there specifically without being fully uninstalled. And you can do that intentionally too, by the way, if you want to declutter your home screen while keeping the app installed. So let's say one of my apps is missing from the home screen, but still available in the app library, and I'd like to get it back on my home screen. I'll first find the app in App Library, press and hold it, and choose Add to Home Screen. That puts the icon back, making it easier to find next time. Speaking of the home screen, if you long press any app, you can choose Edit Home Screen, and all your icons will start wiggling, letting you drag and reorganize everything however you'd like. Another good way to make frequently used apps easier to find. If you're still having trouble, we can check for hidden home screen pages. Press and hold an empty area of your home screen, or long press an app and choose Edit Home Screen like we just did, and then tap those dots at the bottom, and you'll get an overview of all your home screen pages. Notice how these can actually be checked on or off. If this second page here, for example, gets unchecked, it becomes completely hidden from your home screen. So if some of your apps are missing from the home screen, this would be one thing to check. Press and hold, tap the dots, and make sure nothing's accidentally unchecked. While you're here, you can also drag pages around to reorder them. One more place to check. Back in App Library, scroll down, and there's a hidden folder all the way on the bottom. Tap that, authenticate with Face ID, and it'll reveal any apps you've specifically hidden. Mine doesn't have any right now, but if yours does, that's exactly where you'd find them. If you'd like to unhide any apps, just long press them and choose Add to Home Screen. That will both unhide the app and put it back on your home screen. If you've gone through all of this and still can't find the app you're looking for, go to the App Store and search for it directly. If the app is already installed, you'll see a button that says Open. If it's not installed, you'll see Get instead. So Open confirms it's on your phone somewhere, and if it says Get, you'd need to download it first, then use one of the methods I just showed to actually locate it afterward. If the app in the App Store says Update, it means it's already installed, but there's a pending app update to be installed. And that is how you find any app on your iPhone. Go ahead and click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, till next time.